Passive index investing into the US shares index, the S&P 500, has stood the test of time. It's a core holding for institutional and retail investors alike, filled with companies that are driving the global economy. The index weights its constituents according to their total value, also known as market capitalization. Larger companies make up a larger part of the index. Critics of such market size weighted investing have highlighted that the approach may cause investors to buy more of the overpriced shares and less of the underpriced. If the largest companies in an index are overvalued, you're spending a significant portion of your investment in shares whose price growth may be limited. For example, between 1970 and 2024, the largest 5 shares in the S&P 500 has tended to make up between 10 to 25% of the total. The other 495 companies in the index might offer better growth potential than the larger and more expensive shares. But these opportunities can go overlooked. Investors seeking a smarter way of investing in the S&P 500 might consider the BetaShares S&P 500 Equal Weight ETF, ASX code QUS. Instead of weighting each company in the S&P 500 based on its market size, QUS Index gives each share an equal weighting. This methodology means that the fund has greater exposure to more of the companies within the index. It also helps reduce the concentration risk that tends to prevail in market capitalization weighted indices. Finally, quarterly rebalancing back to an equal weighting means that the fund routinely sells shares that have outperformed and buys those that have underperformed. This characterizes the great tenet of investing: buy low and sell high. Because of these factors, QUS can be considered for a long-term core allocation within a portfolio. Alternatively, investors can use the fund as a complementary exposure to blend with existing market size weighted indices, which may help to reduce risk and increase long-term returns. Learn more about the BetaShares S&P 500 Equal Weight ETF on our website. You can invest in the fund through BetaShares Direct or via your broker or financial advisor.